How to cancel a pending wire transfer on RBC. In order to cancel a pending wire transfer with RBC, you must act immediately by calling RBC Bank at a toll-free number, ideally within a 30-minute of the initiation, as wire transfer are often proceeded quickly. So basically what you want to do is, first thing, you could just contact support. So what you want to do is, you could simply press onto the menu bar from the top right, select login, or you have this phone number, right? You could just simply make a call, and that's how you can actually help with that as well. Next, you could also contact RBC directly, as the speed of wire transfer makes reserving them difficulty once initiated as well. So what you want to do is, you could also pre-authorize the payment. That means you could sign into your RBC online banking and go to transfer and payment section, after which you want to select stop a check for a pre-authorized payment, and you could just note that a $12.50 fee may be applied. And that's how you can cancel a pending wire transfer on RBC. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.